If you're wondering if your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus have dual SIM card slot or not, so in this video I will answer this question. So the answer really depends on where you buy your iPhone. If you buy your iPhone from China, your iPhone will most likely have dual SIM card slot, meaning that you can use two physical SIM cards at the same time on your iPhone. But if you buy your iPhone from the United States, Canada or Japan, your iPhone will most likely be eSIM only. And in this case, you will be able to use two eSIMs at the same time. And if you buy your iPhone from anywhere else in the world, your iPhone will have a single physical SIM card slot. And in this case, if you want to use two SIM cards, you will only be able to use a single physical SIM card with an eSIM. And in our case, since we have the US variant of the iPhone 16 Pro, we do not have a physical SIM card slot. Our iPhone 16 Pro is eSIM only, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.